Les Stepson won the second prize for gardeners over 70 years of age. He was 96 years and 4 months old and surprised by it himself. He also won the third prize for a floral garden. Faye, his wife, died 2 years ago, and he told me that he still missed her very, very much. Liz has a small and peaceful little garden decorated with ornaments, statues, benches and a gazebo. I sat in that gazebo for quite a while, just enjoying the atmosphere, drinking it all in and listening to the birds in the cage chirping.